Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can make a game pass and place donate on Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So first of all, open up any type of browser and simply search for Roblox and log in with your account. After that, go over to create section and you'll be able to see your creations. Don't worry if it's your first time and it's created by default for everyone automatically. Then just open your experience and go over to associated items section. Inside it, go over to passes section and then just create a new one. Select a picture or leave it as it is. Then just name it and you have to save it. And after that, open up a newly created pass in the new pass and configure it. Now change its sell price to anything you want and save it. Now open up the Place Donate game and select an empty stall. Now try claiming the stall and you're done. Now you can play Place Donate and receive donations too. And that's how you can make a game pass and Place Donate on Roblox. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.